Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you and welcome in second Sunday post. First I will solve the question from physics, then I will switch to the general part. Question 1. In a Ruby ledger, population inversion is achieved by, most of us has answered correctly, optical pumping is correct answer, and this is Ruby rod and this is xenon source or flash lamp used for the optical pumping. Ruby ledger is 3-level ledger and it is made of chromium doped aluminum oxide. Emitted laser have wavelength 694.3 nanometer. Consider the transition of liquid water to steam as it boils at 100 degrees Celsius under the pressure of 1 atm. Which of the following quantity does not discontinue at the transition? Gives free energy is correct option. In first order phase transitions, G is continuous, enthalpy, entropy is discontinuous, and second order phase transitions, second order derivatives like specific heats are discontinuous. The value of square root iota plus square root minus iota, question from CUCET 2018 and Karnataka Assistant Professor 2022. Looks like paper setter of CUCET and Karnataka Assistant Professor, same person is setting the paper. To calculate it, just let's, this is x, to square root iota plus square root minus iota equal to x. Take the square of both sides and here it is a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Iota multiplied by minus iota means minus iota square root of that. So minus 1 multiplied by minus, it is going to be plus 1 and square root of plus 1 equal to 1. So 2 into 1 equal to 2. Then take the square root, x equal to square root 2. So option C is going to be correct here. The ratio Cp by Cv of the specific heats at constant pressure and volume of a monatomic ideal gas in 2 dimensions is. So surprisingly, most of you have answered wrong. Option C is not correct and neither C nor A. Both are incorrect options. Only 14% of you have answered correctly out of 93. This question is from CSIR NET 2021. The question is not tough, but always some tricky question is there. Some trick, you have to catch that. First, it is 2 dimensions and monatomic. Then degree of freedom is 2. It can move in either x or y. So degree of freedom is 2. Adiabatic index gamma equal to Cp by Cv. This is asking this Cp by Cv. The 1 plus 2 by f. This is the formula. The 1 plus 2 by 2. This is degree of freedom. Put this 2. The 2 by 2 equal to 2. Just 2. This is the correct answer. In an amplitude modulated wave with maximum peak to peak voltage of 20 millivolt and minimum peak to peak voltage of 6 millivolt, the percentage modulation is. Most of you correctly answered it. From here to here, it is peak to peak voltage given 20 millivolt maximum and minimum from this to this, it is minimum 4 millivolt. To find out Vmax from this axis to this, Vmax equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10 millivolt. This is 10 millivolt and this is 4 by 2 equal to 2 millivolt. So V minimum equal to 2 millivolt. Modulation index M equal to Vmax minus V minimum divided by Vmax plus V minimum and solve it. The answer is 66.61%. Option A. A rigid triangular molecule consists of 3 non-collinear atoms joined by rigid rods. Constant pressure molar molecular specific heat Cp of an ideal gas consisting of such molecule is. Adiabatic index Cp by Cv equal to 1 plus 2 by f. It is asking for Cp here. Other formula also you can use for future problems. U equal to internal energy equal to F by 2 RT and directly for Cp equal to 1 plus F by 2 R. So first find out the degree of freedom. That is the important thing. These atoms 1, 2, 3 and rod is there. The rod is fixed. So it is a constant. Degree of freedom equal to 3n minus k. So n number of particles. This is constant. 3 into 3 minus k minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So degree of freedom is 6. Put it in formula either here or here, you will get the answer. You calculate it Cp equal to 4R. Or from here you can also directly put the formula Cp equal to 1 plus 6 by 2. 1 plus 3, that means 4R. Option C is correct here. The ratio of intensities of two waves that produce interference pattern is 60:1. The ratio of maximum to minimum intensities. So intensity proportional to amplitude square. So I1 divided by I2 is given 16:1. So I1 divided by I2 equal to their amplitude square. So amplitude ratio 4:1. For I maximum, add their amplitude and square it. For minimum intensity, subtract their amplitude and square. So A1 plus A2 whole square divided by A1 minus A2 whole square. So it is 5 square divided by 3 square. So 25 by 9. Option D is correct here. This is question from old post 3 weeks ago. the permeability of a magnetic material is 0.74, then the material is. So this is the formula. तो chi equal to mu r minus 1, relative permeability minus 1. तो permeability is given here 0.74, तो 0.74 minus 1, that implies magnetic susceptibility equal to minus 0.26, that is negative, implies a diamagnetic substance. So option B is correct here. So this was the physics part. Move on the general part. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Again, most of us has given wrong answer. Correct answer is option A. This is not matched. Article 52, it is talking about the President of India, not about the election of President. The election of President is mentioned in Article 54 and other are correctly matched. Article 51A, fundamental duties, very important, sometimes it may be asked. Article 154, executive power of state, and executive power of the union is in Article 53. Article 165, Advocate General of the state, some other important articles. 61, procedure for impeachment or Mahabhiyog of the president. Article 72, power of president to grant pardons. The average age of 8 men is increased by 2 years if one of them whose age is 24 years is replaced by a freshman. What is the age of the freshman? Let's average age equal to x and freshman age equal to y. जो ऐड किया गया है बाद में उसका एज y है. तो now find out the average age after adding this person. Earlier it was x multiply by 8x. From 8x subtract this age 24, 8x minus 24 plus this age freshman y. So 8x minus 24 plus y divided by 8. This is the new average. The new average is 2 years more from earlier. So x plus 2. To solve it, 8x plus 16 equal to 8x minus 24 plus y. This 8x cancel out from both sides. Y equal to 40 years. Age of freshman equal to 40 years. Option C is correct. Which of the following best expresses the meaning of abdicate? Option C is correct. Resign or istifa dena. Abdicate means त्यागना, resign, retire, quit, stand down, step down. So resign is the correct option, and others options their meaning is mentioned. You can read it. Which one of the following is India's rank in terms of Human Development Index among the countries of the world? Again a very important question. Last time report जारी किया गया था 2020 and before that it was in 2014. India rank is 131. So top countries is Norway. Norway is at rank 1 in HDI index, and Australia is there at HDI index 8. In June month I visited Australia as well. It's a very beautiful country. So here we can also see the ranking of others. India 131, Bangladesh 133, Bhutan 129, Pakistan 154, and Afghanistan 169, and last is 189 is Niger. Total 189 countries involved in this HDI index, and last is Niger, first is Norway, India at 131. The chief instrument through which Lord Dalhousie implemented his policy of annexation was the doctrine of lapse. Option B is correct here. The students should be assiduous in their studies. Example, I have always been assiduous in my duties. She was assiduous in her duties. These are the examples where it is used as assiduous in. Assiduous means parishrimi. Showing great care and perseverance is assiduous. Diligent or meticulous. When I cross-check it, first criteria was clarity. So even a knowledgeable audience may be unfamiliar with the word assiduous. It is asking to replace this attentive or diligent. पता नहीं कहाँ से खोज के लाते हैं भाई. When I checked grammar, then it is in there. Then option D is correct. In the student should be assiduous in their studies. Most of you have chosen option B. So sometimes with also correct, but grammarly I will go with option D. In. Who among the following is regarded as the leader of the Chipko movement? Option C is correct. Sundar Lal Bahuguna. This is Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Sundar Lal Bahuguna was an Indian environmentalist and Chipko movement leader. Chipko Andolan was very famous, and it is GK part but also a current affairs as well, because Sundar Lal Bahuguna was expired in May 2021. So it was a current affairs as well. So you should also know about Lata Mangeshkar. लता मंगेशकर एक्सपायर्ड इन May 2022. तो लता मंगेशकर के बारे में फर्स्ट बर्थ प्लेस. तो बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ लता मंगेशकर इज इंदौर. सेकेंड, एट व्हाट एज डिड लता गिव वॉइस टू हर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग एज अ प्रोफेशनल सिंगर? दैट इज 13 ईयर्स. तो आज के संडे पोस्ट में इतना ही. बाय बाय.